Ready, start. On 3rd January 2024, while issuing notice on this petition, it was directed that till further orders, the directions issued in paragraphs 45 to 47 of the impugned judgment shall not be given effect to. It was further directed that any appointment letters as stated to have been issued in favor of the candidates selected in terms of the final selection list dated 8th March 2023 shall be kept in abeyance. Now, an additional affidavit has been filed by the respondent number 1 state of Karnataka, wherein category wise distribution of 13,352 candidates has been reflected in paragraph 3.2. As per the said tabulated statement, out of a total of 13,352 candidates who had applied for the subject posts, being 15,000 in number for 35 educational districts, have been included in the list published on 8th March 2023. 6,649 candidates fall under the category of general merit, 1,953 candidates fall under the scheduled caste category, 428 candidates fall under the scheduled tribe category, and 3,841 fall under the OBC candidates. This is besides those who fall under the category of married women who seek to be considered in OBC category based on their parents' income and caste certificate. Mr. Tushar Mehta, learned Solicitor General appearing on behalf of the respondents, states that it has been clarified that the authorities have kept aside 481 notified posts to be filled up subject to the final outcome of the present litigation. In other words, if married women candidates who claim reservation on the basis of the income of their parents ultimately succeed in the present petition, they shall be entitled to appointment against the said posts subject to their fulfilling all other eligibility criteria. This would mean that if the married women candidates do not qualify for appointment on the strength of their parents' income and caste certificate, they would be considered in the general merit category on the basis of their overall merit. As it has been submitted that 11,494 candidates who were selected and issued appointment letters were already working prior to passing of the order on 3rd January 2024, and their appointment orders have been kept in abeyance in compliance of the aforesaid order. It is clarified that joining of the aforesaid 11,494 candidates working on the subject posts is subject to the outcome of the present petitions. This order shall be duly intimated to all the said appointees for their information. The applications are allowed and disposed of on the above terms. The learned counsel for the appellants in the first set of appeals within bracket A bracket close submitted that the direction issued by the division bench to continue with the appointments in terms of the final select list dated 8/3/2023 and not granting the consequential relief of proceeding as per the provisional select list dated 18/11/2022 after setting aside the judgment and order dated 31/2023 is unsustainable and without jurisdiction. It was further contended that pursuant to the final select list dated 8/3/2023, only 13,352 candidates have been appointed against 15,000 notified vacancies.